Yo, it's the rapping chef, Mike the Real. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a nice vegan stuffed bell pepper. Very simple ingredients you throw together to get that greatness. So stay tuned. We doing a mixture of everything. We want everyone to be healthy as well as you can enjoy food you like, but in moderation. All right. So stay tuned. We out. All right. So we're going shopping right now to get the items that we want. Beluga lentil, it's a type of small black lentil. These lentils are mostly found in the cool, dry climate, Canada and America, your northern plains. And now you're gonna need some whole peeled tomatoes with some of the juice, tomato paste. Also, we're gonna need about a half of onion. Also, I use a stalk of leeks, and then you're gonna have your bell pepper and also shiitake mushroom. Get your pot fired up, water boiling. I add a little salt, pepper to it. I add garlic just for flavor. And then I have my beluga lentil, let that boil. And then now you're gonna get everything ready and prepared for a saute. So I check your beluga lentils, and now you're gonna get your pepper ready. You slice the top off, get the core out, leave no seed, get the guts out, and leave it nice and clean. And also, what you want to do here, slice off a little bit at the bottom so it stands up and not fall over. I steam mine. You can boil it if you want to. Then you check back your lentil, check the texture. Is it almost done? For me, I know. I just doing it for the show. So fire it up, a little olive oil. Saute the onions, the leeks, the shallots. Saute they always translucent. Add your tomato paste. Caramelize that. And add the mushrooms. I almost forgot what mushrooms. We add those in there. And then what I did, I used a little white wine. Then I add my tomatoes to that. Saute that, get the flavors out of it. When you saute tomatoes, onions, it tends to get sweet. As you can see in here, I add a little dry raisins and cranberries. Great flavor, balanced flavor. Check my beluga, it's done. So now we're gonna get your peppers, it's done. Check it to see how soft it is. It's not too soft, but firm enough. Now I just add a little marinara sauce to my mix. I like the mix to be wet. Then I get my cooked brown rice with corn. I add the mix, cool down mix in the pot. Add my beluga lentils. Add my cooked rice with the corn. Then I mix that in, mix it thoroughly, mix it properly, get all the flavors collided. So now we're gonna stuff our peppers, get all the flavors in there. I like to keep it wet, so. And then for garnish, I do a little micro mix. I put my pepper on. I save the cap for garnish, and there you go, stuffed bell pepper for vegan. The links will be all over. So again, ladies and gentlemen, the rapping chef, big up.